I'm Blagovest Vangelov, and I'm the head of the L&D and QA team in our company. We are a gaming betting company working on a lot of markets through the world. Anyway, our main two markets currently are India and South Africa. Yes, our aim at the moment is to be able to check as much as possible correspondences. Of course, the best will be checking 100% automatically. And to ensure in this way that all the agents are following the company policies, the company standards, and of course, the company tone of voice. Before starting with Auto QA, we were able to check only a few percent of the total incoming traffic we had. And by checking only few percent of the correspondences we have, it's really impossible to note some trends or some gaps that the agents do. We took the decision last year in April to start with Auto QA. And we implemented this. The implementation was really very, very fast and easy. To be honest, I didn't expect to be so smooth. But since the since the first session with your colleagues, we were able to start evaluating. Okay, of course, there were a lot of tests that we had to do to work on the various criteria. But really, since from the first day, we had already a ready scorecard and an idea what we want to do and how we want to do it. We still have a lot of work to do, and we are including new topics constantly in the scorecard. But we start with some simple but very important topics in the customer support that they will guarantee that the service and the attitude towards the customer will be always on the same high level that we expect from our agents. And for this reason, we started with empathy and agent attitudes. I just want to, for a second, to open my scorecards. Okay, for the empathy, I used just 2-point scoring system, just pass or fail, to see if really the agent includes the empathy during their conversation. And again, I should say that I was really very good surprised. I didn't expect so good results. All the correspondences I checked after this criteria, what was rated was really correct. So what I tried next was to insert in the scorecard the agent attitude, the agent behavior. And this time I tried to play with a 5-point scoring system, starting from level 1, when the agent is rude, and of course to the level 5, where we have really polite, friendly, and professional conversation with the customer. And also here I had very good results. What I see is the system really makes it to score the conversation very correctly with the respective behavior from the agent. Of course, the time saving. I didn't expect to be so accurate and to be so easy to work with, and to see the results, the first results so fast. But as a time saving, it really saves a lot of time, as not only time but also human efforts. In the past, the QAs are spending a lot of time checking grammar, empathy, agent attitude, and we were able to cover not more than 2-3% of the incoming traffic. Now, with what we started using, we are checking the entire incoming traffic, and we are checking. In this way, we are able to concentrate only when we see that some of the results shown by the Auto QA there is something worrying. We can intervene where we see that that is happening, something critical, and the auto QA points out where is the problem. So we need to check it and intervene at the moment, taking the agent, maybe preparing some additional upskill trainings and so on. Yes, the XNPS analysis was the first great tool, fantastic tool that I start using a lot. I also have a separate filter for the conversations with low XPNS rate. So every day we can go through this conversation and check if there were really a problem, because in our business, a lot of customers just go to ask for a free bonus, and if they don't receive it, they are unhappy, and this is something that is normal. But there are also cases where the EXPNS is low, and really there are cases that we need to intervene and take the measures to improve. It could be bad customer experience because of the behavior of the agent. It could be maybe some our procedures that should be improved, but this helps a lot to see where are our gaps and gives us immediately a possibility to work on and to improve them on the spot. What we are concentrating is just to receive the results, to see what is critical, and to take the measure to solve it. Instead of using a lot of time for actions that can be easily automated, now we just can take actions for the really important stuff. So we prepared the upskill training also with some with assessment quizzes, also with some rewards for the agents who made to complete with the max grade the course, making some upskill trainings with some gamification and rewards, and it really improved the common knowledge a lot. When the agents know that they are monitored, every chat or email is checked. Something they are just stopped using some bad habits, let's say. Of course, now we save a lot of time with the things that can be rated automatically, and we just concentrate all our efforts to improve our support agents. My future plans are first to integrate evaluation with our back office. So the system will be able to rate also some information that currently is not visible, that only the agent can see, and the system doesn't have a way to check if the stats are or the information is really correctly provided to the customer. And of course, the second thing is to move our LMS to evalugent, and to move all the onboarding, of course, and the upskill trainings there, and so the system will have everything necessary to make the complete picture of every single chat or email or a phone call, of course. Okay, for the future, the AI, I think the AI will help a lot, but the customers will look for, when they have some specific problems that happens, they will really look for professional support, and the companies will need really specialists who can adequately take decision and handle the customers' queries. Following this, I would advise everybody that the automation is really great thing, really very, very useful, but you cannot exclude the human expertise and the human point of view. A lot of companies, of course, also included us, took this step to just to count a lot of only on automation. But the best thing is just to put together the human expertise with the automation parts by using both of these two words. You will really have great results.